Good day everyone. I am Mr. Randy Angel and here I am again to discuss about the module number 2. Now in this lecture video we were going to tackle about the lesson 1 which entitled the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. So to let you understand more about this topic, let's start taking a look with the two problems given. So we have find the seventh term of the arithmetic sequence 1, 4, 7, and 10. So atong pangitaon ang ikapito nga term sa atong arithmetic sequence having 1, 4, 7, and 10. Now to start with, so let us try to identify the term of a given sequence. So our 1 here is our first term or a sub 1, 4 for our a sub 2 or the second term, and 7 is our third term, 10 as our fourth term. And we are asked to find the seventh term. So to find the seventh term, we were going to find first the common difference of the given sequence. The common difference. That is the common difference or the D. The common difference between the two consecutive terms. So the formula of finding the common difference of a given arithmetic sequence is D that is equal to a sub 2 minus a sub 1 or a sub 3 minus a sub 2. So i-subtract nimo ang isa ka term to the preceding term. So say for example in our given, so our a sub 2 is 4. Okay, the second term is 4 minus the a sub 1 that is equal to 1. So therefore, the common difference of the given sequence is 4 minus 1 that is equal to 3. The same with a sub 3 minus a sub 2, we have a sub 3 that is equal to 7 minus a sub 2 which is equal to 4. So subtracting that one, so the common difference is also 3. So therefore, 3 ang ilang common difference. Now, since nakuha na nato ang common difference sa atong given nga sequence, we can now find the seventh term of the arithmetic sequence by adding 3 to the last term. So 10 ang last term which is the fourth term. So our fifth term will be equal to 13. Kaya giada na to sa common difference nga 3. That is the third term. The sixth term will be equal to 16. And the seventh term which is atong gipangita sa atong problem is equal to 16 plus 3 that is equal to 19. So therefore, ang seventh term sa atong arithmetic sequence is equal to 19. Next, find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence 7, 15, 23, 31, and 39. Okay, the same process atong buhaton sa atong gibuhat sa example number 3, the same process atong pagabuhaton dire sa atong example number 2. First, atong i-identify what term does the arithmetic sequence given. So 7 is the first term, 15 second, third is 23, a sub 4 is 31, and a sub 5 is equal to 39. So in order to find the 10th term, pangitaon sa nato ang common difference sa atong arithmetic sequence. So we have D that is equal to, second term is equal to 15. minus the first term equals 7. So the common difference, the difference between the two consecutive term is 8. Now, to make sure nga 8 yun ay lang common difference between the two numbers, consecutive numbers, let us try sa another consecutive number, which is a sub 3 minus a sub 1, a sub 2. So a sub 3 is equal to 23 minus a sub 2 is equal to 15. So the difference 23 minus 15 is equal to 8. So therefore nasa like common difference nga 8. From first term to another mag-add og 8, from the second term to third term mag-add og 8 para makakuha tag third term. So natay common difference. So we can easily find the 10th term by adding 8 to the last term, sa gisundan nga term. So we have 39 plus 8, that is equal to 37. 47 plus 8 is equal to 55. 55 plus 8 is equal to 63. 63 plus 8 equals 71. And 71 plus 8, that is equal to 79. So naabot na ba og 10 terms? So we have a sub x, a sub 7, a sub 8, a sub 9, and a sub 10. So nakaabot na ta og 10 term, and the value of our 10th term is equal to 79. It's easy, right? Okay, sayon ra siya. But papaano kung ang gipangita nato is that 100 term of the arithmetic sequence. Number 1. How are we going to find the 100 term of the example number 1? So makuha nato siya, but it takes a lot of time kay mag-add pa ta og 3 sa atong arithmetic sequence taman sa maabot siya og 100 term. Right? The same with example number 2. Okay? So atong buhaton ani is we're going to use the arithmetic sequence formula, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where ang a sub n nato is equal to the nth term. A sub n is the nth term. A sub 1 is the first term. N is the number of terms, and D is the common difference of the sequence. Okay, so example number 1. What is that 100 term of the given arithmetic sequence? So here in our example number 1, ang atong a sub n is unknown. Mao atong gipangita nga value ang a sub n. So using that formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n plus 1, or minus 1 rather. This is minus 1 and minus 1 times d. So naaman tay given nga a sub 1, which is the first term, ang 1 plus, and since ang atong gipangita is ang 100 term, so therefore ang number of terms nato is equal to 100. So substitute in n with 100. 100 minus 1 times the common difference, that is equal to pila? 3. Next, 1 plus what is 100 minus 1, that is equal to 99 times 3. So we have 1 plus what is 99 times 3? We have 99 times 3, 7 to 29. We have 297, right? 297. Okay, so therefore the nth term or the a sub 100 is equal to 298. So the 100th term of the sequence, arithmetic sequence, is equal to 298. Now for example number 2, let us try to find also the 100th term of the given sequence. Kani atong pangitaon. Okay? Using again the formula, we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So atong gipangita ang 10th term. So we have a sub n, which is 100. Ang n na to 100. A sub 1 or the first term is given, which is 7 plus the number of terms is 100 minus 1 times the common difference of example number 2 is 8. Mo ni atong common difference, so multiply by 8. A sub 100 equals 7 plus 99. 100 minus 1, 99 times 8. So what is 99 times 8? 99 times 8, 72. 72 plus 7, we have 79. Okay, we have 7 plus 792. All that is equal to 799. So therefore, in our number 2 example, the 100th term of arithmetic sequence 7, 15, 23, 31, and 39 is equal to 799. Now, the benefit of this arithmetic sequence formula is unsa man. So we can easily get the nth term of a given sequence without taking long time. Dili na to kinahanglan og taas nga panahon para magkuha sa nth term sa given nga arithmetic sequence, as long as kabalota sa general formula of arithmetic sequence, which is this one. So any nth term na siya imong pangitaon, so you can easily find the nth term using this given formula, general rule or general formula. Now, to have some example or to understand more about these topics, we're going to have more examples. So example number 1 or example number 3. Okay, find the 100th term of the arithmetic sequence -2, -5, -8, and -11. Okay, again, what we're going to do first is to identify unsa ni siya nga term. So -1 is the first term, second term, third term, and the fourth term. Ang atong gipangita is the 100th term. So the next thing to do is to find the common difference or D. So ang pagkuha sa D, a sub 2 minus a sub 1, and or gamito na to ang a sub 3 minus a sub 2. It's just the same. Okay, so substituting a sub 2 is equal to negative 2 minus negative 2. Negative 5, negative times negative equals positive. So therefore, the difference between the two consecutive terms is negative 3. Now let's try another consecutive terms. So we have a sub 3 minus a sub 2. A sub 3 is equal to 8 minus a sub 2 is equal to 5. Negative 8, negative times negative, positive 5, negative 3. So therefore, the common difference is 3. 3 ang common difference nato. So again, we're going to use a sub n, or the arithmetic sequence formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ang atong gipangita is ang a sub 100, or the 10th term. So na naman tayo a sub 1, which is negative 2. So we have substitute, plus n is the number of term 100. 100 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 3. Common difference is 3. Okay, we have 2 plus 100 minus 1, 99 times negative 3. What is 99 times negative 3? We have 2 plus negative 297. So negative plus negative is equal to negative. So i-add na tong duha since pareha man sila og sign. So negative 2 plus negative 297, that is equal to 299. Negative 299. So that is the 100 term of the sequence, or the arithmetic sequence, negative 2, negative 5, negative 8, and negative 11. Okay, so let's have last example. Which term of the arithmetic sequence is negative 57, given that the first term or the a sub 1 is equal to negative 2 and the second term is equal to negative 7. Now this time ang atong gipangitaan ni is ikapila nga term ang negative 57. So ikapila nga term ang negative 57. So we are going to use the general formula of arithmetic sequence, which is a sub n, a sub 1 plus n minus 1 equals d. Na wala pa man nato nakuha ang common difference. So let us find first the common difference. We have common difference is equal to a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Now given man atong a sub 1 and a sub 2, we can directly find the common difference of the given sequence. So we have a sub 2 is equal to negative 7 minus a sub 1 is equal to negative 2. Negative 7, negative times negative, that will become positive. So therefore, the common difference of the sequence is negative 5. Kuha na nato. Now, ang a sub n daw nato, ang value sa tong a sub n is negative. So nanatay given nga a sub n is equal to 57. Ang atong gipangita is ang number of terms. Unsa na, what number of terms na siyang negative 57. Okay? So ang n atong gipangita. Okay, substituting since naana tay a sub n, that is equal to negative 57. Negative 57 equals a sub 1, or the first term that is equal to negative 2 plus n ang atong gipangita, ang n minus 1 is equal to common difference negative 5. Next, bring down negative 57 minus 2. Distributive property, so negative 5 times n is equal to negative 5n. Next, negative 5 times negative 1. Since pareha man sila og sign, negative negative, so we have positive 5. So i-transpose na to ning naay variable nga n para makuha na tong value sa n. And kaning pareha og terms, i-combine nato sila. So combining like terms, ang katong dili pareha og term i-transpose nato sa pikas nga side. So kaning negative 5n atong i-transpose diri, that will become positive 5n. Kay negative man ni siya diri sa right side, we're going to transpose that one to the left side, mahimo na siya og positive. Okay, positive 5n equals negative 2 plus 5. Kani atong i-transpose sa left, from left side to right side, since negative sa daan, transpose mahimo na siya og positive 57. Okay, positive 57. Next, negative 2 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 57, that is equal to 60. 60 equals 5n. Para n na lang ang maibilin, so divide both side by 5. Para makancel ang 5, n na lang ang mabilin. So we have 60 divided by 5, that is equal to pila man? 12. So therefore, negative 57 is the 12th term of the sequence. So ika-12 siya nga term ang negative 57, having the common difference of negative 5. Okay, so that's all for the lesson 1 of module 2, which is the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Thank you.